Lava has launched the Lava Shark for 6,999 rupees. In this video, let's unbox the Lava Shark and have first look. Box contents include phone, 10W charger, USB Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool and some paperwork. Now, let's take a closer look at the phone itself. The back has a glossy plastic design with a 50 megapixels main camera, an LED flash, and Lava branding. Right side volume buttons and power button with an integrated fingerprint scanner. Left side SIM card slot, bottom Type-C charging port, 3.5mm audio jack, noise cancellation microphone, and speaker grill. On top it has a secondary microphone. Lava Shark features a 6.67-inch HD Plus punch hole display with a 120Hz refresh rate powered by the UNISOC T606 processor with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage. It runs on Android 14, software experience is close to stock Android. For cameras, we have 50MP main camera which can record 1080p videos, 8 megapixels front camera 720p video recording support, packed 5000 mAh battery with 18W charging support, but the box includes only a 10W charger. What do you think about this smartphone? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos. See you in the next one.